Lift stations can be smelly, expensive to care for, and have incredibly frustrating maintenance problems. Keep watching for a potential solution. Today, let's talk about Cherry Float, a cherry-scented biodegradable floating degreaser designed to deter foul odors and keep lift stations and sewage injection pits operating efficiently. Let's start with the basics. What is Cherry Float? Cherry Float provides instant odor control by blanketing the water surface in the lift station, blocking odors from the air. Instead, Cherry Float will provide a refreshing cherry scent. In addition, Cherry Float has great grease-busting power, preventing the buildup of waste in your lift station or sewage injection pit. Who is Cherry Float a good fit for? Cherry Float is ideal for lift stations and sewage injection pits in office buildings, high-rise apartments, healthcare facilities, and more. It's a good option for those who want a safe, non-caustic, and non-corrosive option. Who is Cherry Float not a good fit for? Cherry Float is not a good fit for those who have sump pumps that handle gray water, as well as those who do not want a cherry smell in their facility. When and why do I need Cherry Float? If your lift station or sewage injection pit is releasing foul odors, it's time to incorporate chemical maintenance and start the application of a floating degreaser that will keep those odors below the surface and away from your facility. Malodors consistently wafting through your building will make occupants uncomfortable and could easily lead to lost revenue. How do I use Cherry Float? Well, using Cherry Float is simple. Cover the water with a layer of Cherry Float. Add more product as needed to maintain this layer. We at State can provide an easy formula to estimate how much Cherry Float you will require. How much does Cherry Float cost? The cost will vary depending on the size of your lift station, but you can expect an average cost for a few months of treatment to be around this range. Typically, an average sized pit will require about 10 gallons of product to effectively treat it. How can I buy Cherry Float? Now that you're an expert on an effective floating degreaser, it's time to act. Visit www.stateindustrial.com and hit the Contact Us button to get in contact with a representative. To learn more, check out the Learning Center on our website for tips on keeping your facility clean and well maintained.